Kia ora, whānau friends. Eddie and I, we were lucky enough to be invited to the, I've got stuff in my mouth, the blessing of the sand dunes where the waste contaminated sawdust cleanup's been done. So I feel very privileged to be invited to the blessing with the iwi, and I think we'll just run through it. I didn't video the blessing because I feel that's it is a bit of a sacred thing. I took a couple of photos, so I'll throw those on, but I'll run you through. It's finished now and it'll be open to the public, so you guys can race your dogs through there and whatever else you teenagers do in the sand dunes. So let's crack on. Righty, this part here was where the office was and the portaloo, and then coming round to in here, basically where the white utility is, and that area was the washdown bay in the first video. And then as we carry along to the food cart and that, you can sort of see a sign in the background there and a stump sort of basically, and there's where the trucks would come down onto the wash bay. They'd cover the loads up there, and then we'll head on down. And actually I'll just stop here for a sec, and behind there is where the dig out is, all in that area, so we'll follow the road round. Must say that the road has held up extremely well for the amount of heavy activity on it. I'm actually quite impressed with that. I suppose years of compaction. And we'll head on down, and I'll just stop up here and down where you can see the van. And there, that was the turnaround bay, so that's where they went down on their turned round. And now we'll zoom back out, so the camera's a bit more stable. Right, and coming round into here is the dig out in there, and we've got a gap up here in the fence. Sort of, you have to bear with me as we walk along here. Here's the gap in the fence, and we'll head round up through here into the basin where the contaminant was taken out. Actually, I'll just down there. So that's where the trucks were going in to do the turnaround. They drive in their turnaround and then come basically up through this part and you would have remembered the digger would be sitting up there on the mound and it would be loading out. So now I'm just going to head it through. This is where we did the blessing. We came through, and they've done a good job. They've planted this out, and hopefully they'll take off and grow. Be great if we had a bit of rain, but the beach is always dry. Right, so just panning around. This is the wall, or a sand dune they've formed, because originally actually, and it would have been, yes, it would have been to the height where the trees are over there. So from there around to the height of the sand dunes there was all level, and that was the tabletop parking area, showing my age, but that's gone now, and so this is what's left. Oh, there was a new parking bay they put in on the way, and I should have pointed that out, but you can see it's quite a big area that got dug out. And yeah, and now hopefully I can go around there. I'll stop the video because we're up to 4 minutes now, and I'll cut through the gap in the fence there, and we'll video the outside. Righty, this is the front. In the second video you'll see they had a gap in here, and they were going through into there loading the sand in, and the sand was coming from way down the other end of the beach. Tide's in, so it all looks different. So anyway, so that's basically, this is all finished and ready for the summer. The dogs are out, they're enjoying it, and oh, there's Eddie, he's down there. He's checking it all out to make sure it's all good. I think it's getting the seal of approval. Right, I'm going to sign off. Catch you later, guys.